Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to rejoin a Discord server when banned. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you open your Discord and you are particularly banned from any kind of groups or things like that, it is generally not possible to rejoin a Discord server from which you have been banned unless the server administrator unbans you. So a ban is a permanent removal from that particular server, and the moderator or admins have the authority to prevent you from joining again. So to attempt to get unbanned, you can simply contact the server administrator and reach out to them, explain why you have done that thing which has led to your ban, and tell them to unban you. Or you can also check for the unban request or apologize and explain your situation. So after you have done everything, you need to make sure that you will wait until the admins have been responsive towards your appeals or not. So if you have been banned from a particular account, it is not possible to rejoin a Discord server unless you have been unbanned. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.